Hello, I'm Brian Ashworth from SmartAid, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Backwash Tank for a SmartAid UltraFilter installation. This is a typical size of a backwash tank, about 100 litres, which is enough for 5 backwashes. Now this tank will have 3 inlet and outlet points. The top one is an air relief valve. There will be a middle one which may require a hole to be drilled in the tank, which becomes the inlet. And there is an outlet point at the bottom. In the SmartAid UltraFilter box, there will be a package labelled Backwash Fittings, and that includes the following components: a float valve, a tank connector, vent, a 90-degree bend, and a hose connector. So to install the components, first of all, the air vent. This comes with a backing nut and is installed with the outlet to the air vent facing down. This is to make sure that no light gets in the tank, which can cause algal growth. The next stage is to install the float valve in the tank connector. You don't need plumbing tape for this joint. Then take the nut and the washer off the inlet, and from the inside install the tank connector. Put the washer over it and then the backing nut, and tighten the backing nut. Next, install the hose connector into the bend. This will need some plumbing tape. Now you install the bend on the other end of the tank connector, but first use plumbing tape again to make sure you get a waterproof seal. The final step is to install the locally produced plumbing fitting in the outlet. Once this is finished, you can put the cover on the tank and then it's ready to be installed. This is the backwash tank next to the head tank. You can see the vent on the left, the inlet in the middle of the tank, and the outlet at the base of the tank.